In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a survey on Monday.com step by step so you can start collecting responses directly inside your boards. Whether you're gathering customer feedback, running an internal team questionnaire, or collecting event registrations, Monday.com makes it incredibly simple using its built-in form view. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional survey ready to share. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, you'll need a board where the survey responses will be stored. You can either open an existing board or create a new one specifically for your survey. To create a new board, click on the plus Add button, choose New Board, give it a clear name like Survey Responses, and select Start from Scratch. This board will act as the database where every submitted response is automatically organized into rows. Now that your board is ready, the next step is to add a form view. At the top of your board, click on Add View. From the list of available view options, select Form. As soon as you do this, Monday.com will generate a form based on the columns that already exist in your board. This form view is what transforms your board into a shareable survey that people can fill out without seeing the back-end data. Next, it's time to design your survey. The important thing to understand is that every column in your board becomes a question in your form. So if you want to customize your survey, you'll need to adjust your columns. For open-ended questions, add a text or long text column. For multiple-choice questions, use a drop-down column. If you want simple yes or no questions, or even a Likert scale like strongly agree to strongly disagree, you can use a status column and customize the labels. If needed, you can also add a people column to assign responses internally and a date column to track when submissions are made. To keep your survey organized, drag and drop the columns to reorder the questions in the exact sequence you want respondents to see them. Once your questions are set up, click on the Form Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Here, you can customize the experience for your respondents. Add a clear form title that explains what the survey is about, include a short description or instructions so participants understand the purpose and how long it might take. You can also edit the submission message that appears after someone completes the form, such as thanking them for their feedback. If it fits your use case, you can enable the option that allows respondents to edit their answers after submitting. Finally, it's time to share your survey. In the top right corner of the form view, click Share Form. You'll see a public link that you can copy and send via email, messaging apps, or social media. Anyone with the link can fill out the survey, and the responses will instantly appear as new items in your board. If you want to place the survey on your website, you can also use the embed code provided and paste it directly into your site. And that's it. You now know how to create a survey on Monday.com, customize it to match your questions, and share it with your audience. It's a powerful way to collect and manage responses all in one place without needing third-party tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.